Welcome back to my channel and into my home. Today, we're finishing up decluttering and organizing our kitchens. We have done an awesome job of decluttering and organizing areas in our home. If you're new here, we've been decluttering and organizing each area of our home. We break it down into bite-sized pieces and we work on that area for 1 week. I post that week's video on Sunday so that you have all week and through the weekend to complete that task in that area or in an area of your choice. But today, we're decluttering and organizing underneath our kitchen sinks. So let's get started. Here is the current state under my sink. It's not horrible, but it does need some work. A few months ago, I did a massive clean under here, and that's when I added in the pull-out drawers and a few other things. But some of those things I nixed when they didn't work for me. If you want to see what those things are, I will post the video at the end of this video. It's a good one to watch if you need more under the sink organization motivation. I need to better organize all these products and do a better job at using up what I have before buying another. I just love trying new cleaning products, and I have an itch to use them as soon as I get them home. I also have duplicates of many things in here because all this clutter doesn't allow me to see what I have and what I need. So I need to figure out a better system. So let's go ahead and get everything pulled out of here so we can see what I have and what I'm going to get rid of. So I don't need these under the kitchen sink, so we'll go ahead and relocate these into the bathrooms. This is thieves that my daughter makes for me, so I need to get her to make me some more to put in here. And then Mop and Glow has always been my favorite for my floors. However, I found something new that I like even better, so I'm going to pass this one on to my daughters. This Murphy's oil soap has been down here a long time, which is showing me it's not one of my favorites, so I need to go ahead and pass it on to another family member. I really like the Method Granite, but they were out at Target, so I had to pick up some of this Wyman. I haven't used it yet, but I vow to use it or pass it on before I buy another Method. I also really like Method's degreaser, but again, Target was out, so I got the one by Wyman's. I've used this one and it is really good. It's more gel-like, so it sticks well and doesn't dry out during the time that you're waiting for it to work its magic. This is the conditioning oil that I use on my wooden cutting boards and utensils. I buy it from IKEA. I use these flip-top containers to contain my Jaws concentrate and also to put in cut-up magic erasers. These wipes are what I take with us when we go on cruises. I use them to wipe the entire cabin down and then some. I haven't yet tried these because I forgot that I had them amongst all this clutter under here. I'm going to go ahead and repurpose this container to hold my SOS pads. I don't know about you, but I can smell these SOS pads a mile away. So sealing them in here should help with that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and wipe everything down here. And while I do that, I'm going to tell you that I got the slide out drawers from Target. They have the screws to permanently secure them to the bottom. However, I have a commitment issue. Are you like that? Do you have a hard time committing to nailing or screwing things into your walls or things? Tell me about it down in the comments. Surely I'm not the only one, right? So this time I'm going to put things back in here in the order in which I use them. The less used items will go in the back. My granite, sealer, and easy off get used only like once or twice a year, and also the leather wipes. In the drawer I will put all the things that I use to wash dishes. But the lesser used items will go in the back of the drawer, and the things that I use daily will go up towards the front of the drawer. I used to keep these dishwasher tabs in a pretty flip-top container, but I found that it works much better for me if I keep them in this container instead of fiddling around with the flip-top. Sometimes function has to trump beauty. Don't you agree? This door caddy is where I keep all my sponges and brushes. This one I never use, so I'm going to go ahead and pass it on. And on this side is where I keep my dish rags and rubber gloves. Alright, so down in this drawer I'm going to arrange things in categories, and like on the other side I'll put the lesser used items towards the back and the more daily items towards the front. And again, I vow not to buy another product until I get these products used up. You can hold me true to this, because when I get a new product I like to share it with you, so you can call me out if I do that. Okay, so let's do a quick before so that we can better appreciate the after. Ah, it looks so much better. Yes, I'll agree with you that I still have too many products, and as promised, I'll use them up or I'll pass them on. This drawer is no longer stuffed and overflowing. I even have additional space up here in the front if I want to put a couple of the Jaws cleaner bottles up there. And over here, I can quickly get to my dish tabs, which is a huge improvement to what I had over in the last video. I hope that you like this video. If so, would you please give me a big thumbs up? It lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you get reminded every time I post a new video. At the end, I'm going to add the playlist to all 15 videos in the series. Each video is less than 20 minutes or so, but they're jam-packed with motivation from mine and my daughter's homes. I'll see you on Sunday with another decluttering video. Stay blessed, my friends.